So you can see when the line gets kind of low here, it just starts pushing the stuff up to the side. We'll just take it off and we'll try the other line. Okay, so it comes with 24 pieces of the cutting line, and they recommend you purchase the same cutting line from the store that you got it from. But if you want to try and make your own, I'll show you. Let's see if we can figure out what size we need. This right here is 0.08 diameter. And it looks pretty close. It looks a little small in comparison, but it looks really close. And then this one here is 0.095. And it looks a little bigger. You can see that's bigger than the green one. A little bit. And it looks a little bit bigger than the red one. So we don't have the exact size. These are just two that I had here that I use on my weed eater. And I'm able to use both sides in there. But if you go with one a little too small, you are going to take a chance that it will spin out. It'll come out and you'll run out of line. And if you use one that's a little too big, it's going to be a little bit hard to reload. But we're going to go ahead and try them both and see if we can get something to work for now. So I'm just going to measure it out here, from here to here, and then cut it. This kind of got a curl to it, where this thing's got a nice straight bow to it. The thinner line's not curled up as much, but the thicker one's got a real circle to it. So, all right, there we go. Once again, we're using a 0.080 and a 0.95, and we're going to see how they work. Run these through, you just push it through here. Get it straight. And then you want to run it through this little hole here. And if you're a little too long, I think it'll cut it off right there. This line's a little bigger, so it's a little harder to get through there. Get all that crud out of there, all that dirt in there. Try the other side. I think when I cut it, it made it spread out a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. This doesn't seem so bad on this side. When I cut it, I squished it a little bit. There we go. All right, we'll put it all back together and we'll see how it does. So for our safety protection, we're going to need safety glasses. Dust mask is optional, but after breathing in all that dust from the leaves, it bothers my allergies, so I'm going to wear a dust mask. And some safety glasses. This thing can get kind of loud, so I'm going to throw in some earplugs too. Well, it seemed to do pretty good. Oh, this bag got a little heavy. Had a lot of sticks in it. But all in all, it looks chopped up pretty good. Once again, there's unchopped leaves. Well, the good news is it took that whole garbage can and it put it in this one bag. So that's pretty good. Well, I'm pretty happy with this thing. You may have a different situation than me. I got smaller, drier, dustier area than you probably do. Or maybe not. But you can definitely see here, we got all this that was in this garbage can. And we got it in that bag. So that's pretty good. If nothing else, the stand that it comes with makes a great way to bag up your leaves.